Affiliate marketing is the best way to make money online, and the best thing about it is that you don't need your own website, experience, or product. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can start your own affiliate marketing step by step, even though if you don't have any experience. So stick around because towards the end of this, I'm going to share with you common mistakes and tools that helps beginners to actually make their first sale. Now, let's start with the basic. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product, service, and then you earn commission when someone buys the product or service using your unique reference link. I'm going to give you an example. Let's say you promoted a £40 blender and then someone buys that blender using your unique link and then you earn £2 commission based on that product. Imagine if 100 people did that. Now that's £200 and it didn't cost you anything to start. Trust me, this can be a powerful way for you to actually start earning money. Let me explain why brands out there love affiliate marketing. One of the biggest reasons is that they actually pay when sales happen. For them, it is performance based, but then for you, it is passive income with no product creation. Now, let me explain to you how affiliate marketing actually works. I'm going to give you a 4-step breakdown on how it works. The first one is for you to pick a niche. So pick something that you yourself are interested in and passionate about. Second is for you to find affiliate programs, then find a link for you to promote with. Third, you create content or traffic source for you to then share your link. Fourth, you then get paid, get commission when someone buys the product or the service. Now, let's talk about the niche, the industry, or the topic that you yourself can concentrate on. As of this year, one of the biggest topics that you can concentrate on are health and fitness, personal finance, tech and gadget, online educations, or AI tools. But the thing is, here's the key. I want you to start with something that you're already learning about, interested in, or already buying. What this will do is help you create a better content and connect more with your audience. The next step is for you to find affiliate products or services for you to promote. Now, I'm going to give you the top affiliate networks out there that you can use from today. The first one is Amazon Associates, easy to join. You have your ClickBank, ShareSell, or Fiverr affiliates. All you have to do is do a little bit of research to find out what program fits what you want to do. Most programs are free to join. All you have to do is just apply, get your link, and then that's it. You're good to go. The next section is for you to promote your link. Let's look at ways for you to promote your link for free. One of the best ways are YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. You can do blogging or joining a Facebook group. Now, I'm going to give you 3 tools that you can utilize to help you get started. I want you to understand that you don't need an expensive tool. Let me explain to you what beginners are actually doing today to help you get started. You can use Canva for actually creating social media posts or graphics. You can use CapCut to edit short videos. You can use Google Trend to find popular keywords out there. Lastly, you can use ChatGPT to find content ideas or product descriptions. However, here are top mistakes that I see beginners make. Don't be that person. First thing first is spamming links. Never drop your affiliate links without any value. Sometimes people try to promote everything. What I want you to do is pick a high quality product or service and then promote that. Quitting too early. Now, a lot of people quit before they even make their first sale. Don't be that person. Not disclosing. If you're making a commission, just be honest with people and just let them know. I want you to remember something. You're building trust with people, helping them first, and then selling them later. Doing this, trust me, you'll be able to make a lot of money. Now, I'm going to give you one simple plan that I want you to utilize to make your first sale faster. First, I want you to choose a niche that you yourself are interested in. Find a product or service that you yourself like or value a lot. Then I want you to post one helpful piece of content about that product for the next 30 days. You see, this is how real progress happens. So you don't need 10,000 or 20,000 followers. You just need 10 to 20 people that trust you. I want you to understand that affiliate marketing can change your whole perspective of earning income if you take it seriously. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.